Hello, my friends. Today, we will discover the incredible story of a man who wanted to give electricity to the entire world. A man who imagined the future long before anyone else. Some people called him a genius. Others believed he was completely insane. But his inventions would later change modern civilization forever. His name was Nikola Tesla. So, turn off the lights, relax, and let us travel back in time. In the late 1800s, one man dreamed of changing the entire world with electricity. But people laughed at him. They called his ideas impossible. Some believed he was a genius. Others believed he was completely insane. Yet, years later, his inventions would help create the modern world we live in today. This is the story of Nikola Tesla, a lonely inventor who imagined the future before anyone else could see it. Nikola Tesla was born in 1856 in a small village called Smiljan. From a very young age, Tesla was different from other children. He had an incredible memory. He could imagine entire machines inside his mind without drawing them on paper. Sometimes, strange flashes of light appeared in his vision, and his imagination never stopped. As a child, Tesla loved thunderstorms. He would stand for hours watching lightning in the sky. One day, while staring at the storm, he asked himself a question that would change his life forever. What if electricity could power the entire world? Tesla's father wanted him to become a priest, but Tesla wanted something very different. He wanted to become an engineer. He wanted to understand electricity. He wanted to create machines nobody had ever seen before. Years later, Tesla studied engineering and started working with electrical systems in Europe. But something continued bothering him. At that time, cities used a system called direct current electricity, also known as DC power. The system worked, but electricity could not travel very far. Tesla believed there was a better solution, a new kind of electricity. Alternating current, AC power. It could travel across huge distances. But many people believed Tesla's ideas were dangerous. Some even thought they were impossible. In 1884, Tesla arrived in New York City with almost no money. He carried only a few belongings and a letter for one of the most famous inventors in America, Thomas Edison. Tesla hoped the two men could work together and change the world. At first, Tesla worked for Edison's company. He repaired machines and solved difficult engineering problems. He worked day and night. But the two inventors were completely different. Edison focused on business and practical ideas. Tesla believed in imagination and the future. One day, Edison reportedly promised Tesla a large amount of money if he improved his machines. Tesla worked for weeks and completed the task successfully. But when he asked for the money, Edison laughed. "You do not understand American humor." Tesla felt betrayed. Soon after that, he quit the company. Now Tesla was completely alone. He had no company, no powerful friends, and almost no money. For some time, Tesla worked digging ditches in the streets just to survive. But even during his hardest days, he never abandoned his dream. Eventually, investors became interested in his ideas. Tesla finally had a chance to present his AC electricity system to the world. And when people saw his inventions, they were shocked. Lights became brighter. Machines became stronger. Electricity traveled farther than ever before. Tesla's system was revolutionary. Soon, a dangerous battle began. It became known as the War of Currents. Tesla and businessman George Westinghouse supported AC electricity. Thomas Edison fought for DC electricity. The competition became intense. Edison tried to convince people that AC power was deadly. Newspapers filled with fear. The public became confused. Who was telling the truth? Tesla remained calm. He believed science would win in the end. Then came the moment that changed everything forever. In 1893, Chicago hosted a massive world exhibition. Millions of people arrived from around the world. The organizers needed electricity for the entire event. Tesla's AC system was chosen, and suddenly, thousands of electric lights illuminated the night. People stood in complete amazement. Many had never seen so much light before. It felt like magic. That moment changed history. The world finally realized Tesla had been right all along. Soon after, Tesla's system was used at Niagara Falls to generate electricity. It became one of the greatest engineering achievements in history. Tesla had changed the modern world forever. But Tesla's imagination continued growing. He experimented with wireless energy, radio waves, remote-controlled machines, and giant electrical towers. Some people believed Tesla could communicate with other planets. Others thought he was slowly losing his mind. Tesla rarely slept. Sometimes he worked for days without resting. He became obsessed with his inventions. He believed technology could end war and improve humanity forever. One of Tesla's greatest dreams was free wireless electricity. He imagined giant towers sending power through the air. No wires, no limits. Electricity for everyone on Earth. To build this dream, Tesla started constructing a massive tower called Wardenclyffe Tower. At first, wealthy investors supported the project, but soon problems appeared. Tesla's experiments became extremely expensive, and investors worried they would never make enough profit. One by one, they stopped supporting him. Construction slowed down. Eventually, the tower was abandoned. Tesla watched his greatest dream collapse before his eyes. As the years passed, Tesla became increasingly isolated. New inventors became famous. Large companies focused on money and business. Meanwhile, Tesla continued creating strange ideas inside small hotel rooms. He spent much of his time feeding pigeons in New York City. He avoided crowds, and he spoke about futuristic inventions that sounded impossible at the time. Some newspapers called him the mad scientist, but many of his ideas would later become reality. Wireless communication, robotics, remote controls, modern electrical systems. Tesla imagined them decades before the world was ready. In January 1943, Nikola Tesla died alone in a hotel room in New York City. He was 86 years old. At the time of his death, many people had forgotten him. But history would not forget for long. Years later, scientists, historians, and engineers began recognizing Tesla's incredible contributions to humanity. Today, Nikola Tesla is remembered as one of the greatest inventors in history. His ideas helped shape the modern technological world we live in today. And many people still wonder, what inventions remained unfinished inside Tesla's brilliant mind? Could he really see the future? Or was he simply a dreamer chasing impossible ideas? Perhaps we will never fully know. But one thing is certain. Long before the modern world existed, Nikola Tesla imagined it. And sometimes, the people who change the world the most are the ones nobody understands at first. Thank you for listening. And if you enjoyed this journey through history, do not forget to subscribe for more historical stories in easy English. See you in the next story.